We bought this building in 2016, renovated it for a year. Rolling Mill Brewing Company is different from most every other brewery, especially in the state of Ohio. We are the only dedicated gluten-free brewery. And I say dedicated because that's all we brew. All of our ingredients, nothing else on tap ever contains gluten.
The primary ingredients in our beers consist of millet, buckwheat, and rice. Those are the grains that we get all of our fermentable sugars from. We do use some of our beers have honey in them, some of them have organic cane sugar in them. That's different compared to you would use normally barley, wheat, or rye to get most of all of your other common beers.
We've had people sitting at the bar, they came in just to have a beer, they'll overhear somebody else talking and they're like, wait a minute, all of this beer is gluten-free? Something like that. That's always been our goal.
People say, we had no idea, so they are definitely surprised to find out that our beer is gluten-free.
We had a girl come in, she had just turned 21. I'd been celiac for years, tried her first beer here, so that's always really neat.
We decided to put Rolling Mill Brewing Company in Downtown Middletown because we care about the city and because we're from here. And we wanted to see a rebirth of the downtown. And we wanted to do something tangible. We didn't just want to make an idea. We wanted to create some jobs and to create something that people saw as a destination to kind of help bring things to downtown. So in one hand, we loved craft beer, and we made a unique craft beer, and we loved living in Middletown, and that brought us right downtown here.